For those of us that don't go camp, you know, say when you don't come out for camp, the last day you won't come out, the week you won't come out, they give you the 19,800. Now Lagos camp I go. Then one idiot can say, Oyiko, how for now you be the best comedian for. More we go QUILOX with 19.8. I say how? The cheapest drink for QUILOX now from 30,000 upward. So we wear khaki go. One man just do buy us drinks. Say, NYC, you guys are good. I like that. You're serving the country. This man give us NEC. Now we drink. This idiot, my friend Yusuf, now be in name. I go to talk until tomorrow. Yusuf, drink finish. Drink. Now drink the drink pass. Say, I don't come for camp. They can't play the song. As they go back, the next way as he throw bese. Now person will carry casket of drink. Of 3 million naira. As we hear, before I go hear the last bound, I don't reach my house. I know why you say they are together. Well, we then Yusuf now not get PPA. Now kill us in the serve. And they saying go serve there for 4 years.
So you like that video that you watched just now, eh? Please subscribe to Oyikotv now. Please subscribe to this channel, Oyikotv. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Please subscribe.
Not bell notification, it's notification bell.
Okay, notification bell. Any of
bell
them.
notification. I confuse that. Please subscribe. Subscribe. We beg you.
Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you. Please subscribe. This man, the damn devil. I'm gonna say a joke. Please subscribe. Turn on your notification post. Subscribe. We are not let comedy tire house.
Thank you.